devices with the Nokia brand have been in constant decline for years because Microsoft's Windows Phone platform collapsed and burned. For a while, it seemed that there could never be another Nokia smartphone, but then HMD came in last year to create new Android devices under the Nokia brand. There will be many more of those phones in 2018 thanks to the new round of funding from HMD. The company announced today that it secured $100 million in funds from multiple investors. This brings the value of HMD to more than $1 billion, which is not bad if you consider that this is only its second year of existence. He says that this investment will help him add new phones to his line throughout 2018. HMD needs the cash because it is not making money yet. In its first full year of operation, HMD Global earned $2.13 billion in revenue. However, it had an operating loss of $77 million. However, HMD's 2018 portfolio is shaping up very well. Investors should feel that Nokia's name is still worth something to leave cash in a budding smartphone maker.